everybody. Today we're going to see if paper can cut wood. So I cut these off with my laser cutter, laser engraver. I cut it with my laser. I have 6 little table saw cutouts. Not exactly these ones, but I have 2 of these. I have a circle, I have a square, I have the Green Lanterns logo, and then I have a hexagon. We're going to see if they can cut wood. I have this 2x4 right here. I have some tongue compressors, and then I also have some pencils we're going to test out. I believe it was John Heiss who did it 6 or 7 years ago. At the time I didn't have a table saw to actually try it, and I want to try it out, so that's what we're going to do today. Literally made with perfection. And this is, I believe, a 3/4 inch hole. So either way, it's a very cool blade. Now we're going to try it reverse, see if this works better or not. Alright. You got caught. Dang.
I've been able to cut through fully one of these.
Okay.
Maybe.
Well, we still have the other one. This doesn't have teeth on it. Let's try it out. One last try. 3, 2, 1. Don't keep asking, go that time. Ah! It worked. I think this time it's shinier than last time. Who knows? You can look at it. What do you think? It actually worked. Super glad about that. Alright, it's time for the real test. Can I cut a 2x4? What do you think?
Going off of what it's done so far, it's very possible.
Alright, let's find out. 3, 2, 1, contact. That sucked.
I thought it was actually gonna do it.
Yeah, that's all that's left. Oh, that looks like glass. That's crazy.
That's crazy how it feels like our table that
Right?
has some stuff on it.
Just feels like glass. You see it? Well, this one's way smoother than that side. That side. That's the aftermath. The table saw, paper. Super smooth. So I can confidently say that was one of the coolest things I've ever done. I think I'm like 90% sure that paper can cut through 2x4s. I think if I started with a brand new blade that I didn't use on anything else, it would work just fine. But I did cut through 1/2 inch 3 times, so I think that's a win in my book. So paper as a table saw blade, yeah, it's doable. Is it a one-time thing? Yeah, it's most definitely a one-time thing. Otherwise, you know, your blade could shatter or explode. Otherwise, it'll just grind itself down to a very small circle. But yeah, paper can definitely become a table saw blade, 100%. So if you guys enjoyed the video, do leave a like, subscribe, and comment. It does help me out. I'll see you in the next one.